I'm just wanting to break the stigma on this stuff and make it normal that when our brain breaks, that we get help, just like when our leg breaks or ankle breaks. It's just normal. It's part of the ride. So another simple story, a product manager. Now, when I was working in the Middle East, I did a lot of work in Dubai for years. And we had someone who was running a massive, big project, which I just got an update on, and it's going through the roof. It's spectacular, like a massive commercial success, massive. But it was so disruptive in the business, it was creating a lot of friction. Long story short, and this guy was an A-plus player, creating, hundreds of millions of dollars of value for the organization, doing all the right things. Although it was a hard change to drive. At one point, he just started yelling and screaming, and he stood up in a meeting of 25 people around a boardroom table and just lost his mind on everyone. Like, it all just came out. And imagine when you're angry and frustrated, having an unfiltered version of everything come out. And that's what it was. And he's way smarter than that, but he cracked. He cracked. The pressure got to him, and he had good intentions and good desires. And we had to work on a program for him he was totally in the red zone, to get him back into the green zone, which he did. It took a bit of time. And the same person who is an amazing high performer, even, we found out afterwards, he was having some very physical things happening in his body as a result of all the stress he was under. Like, it was full red zone meltdown that he had. And like, this is the kind of guy that if you could hire him and you could get him for a base of $1 million a year and $1 million in bonus, I would say hire him in a second, if indeed that fit your business model, what you needed. But he is an insanely amazing executive.